So recently we had a situation where one of our vehicles needed a number plate replacement. I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you how a number plate can be easily replaced and fixed really securely using our foam tape. So this tape is a variation of our Extreme Foam Tape. It has the same adhesive, however it's just slightly thicker at 3mm. It may seem more logical to place the tape lengthways, however we found that when doing this it gives a bigger surface at the top that water rests on, and over a long period of time this will affect the bond that the tape has. So all I'm going to do is stick all these 3 down. I'm then going to use this roller just to make sure that they're really stuck down. Okay, so that's the tape now all stuck on the back of the plate. Now let's go outside where I'll show you how to properly clean and prime your surface to ensure that the plate is really well attached. So the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that any big clumps of dirt such as mud and maybe the tape for the last time you applied a number plate is removed. Next we're going to wipe it down with a primer. For this we're using our Clean and Prime rubbing alcohol. I'll pop a link to it in the description. And then just simply remove the backing from the tape and apply your number plate. So that is a really simple way to apply a number plate using the Presco tape. You can find everything that we've used in this video in the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.